Hi everyone, it's Delise. Welcome to my channel. If you're like me, this time of year you really start thinking about a lot of the goals that you have and the things that you want to do in the new year. And one of those things for me is always to eat healthier. I always want to eat healthier. And some years I've been really successful with that, and some years I've been kind of bad about it. So I decided to make a seasonal food calendar. It turned out something like this. And if you are interested or you want to make one like this, please keep on watching and I will show you what I did. Do you eat parsnips? Okay guys, so let's get started. I found the actual calendar pages online actually. So I got them from a website, and this lady has a blog. I'll link her blog below so that you can see all the different stuff. But her website is called ahealthylifeforme.com, and she has literally every single month of the year a list of all the foods you should eat because they're in season, and I think she also goes into a little bit of why and stuff like that. So I thought it was a really helpful website. Anyway, she had different calendar pages and some free downloads on there, and one of the ones I found was this. So they're so beautiful, and one thing that I kind of struggle with when I'm trying to eat healthy is just knowing what's in season, so that's kind of why I wanted this. But the other thing is that, to be honest, I'm kind of shallow, and yeah, I feel better when I eat healthy, but I want to feel better when I feel like it's going to be kind of a cute and fun experience. Do you resonate with that? So anyway, I needed to make this calendar cute, and I absolutely love the way that these are illustrated. They all have watercolors. The one for December specifically is just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. I mean, wow. It's so pretty. I just really love it. So anyway, I think this is going to make me want to look at it a little bit more. So I took these calendar pages and I emailed them to myself. I printed them at Staples. Staples has a really cool feature where you can go online, email anything to their Staples at printme.com, I believe is what it is. And then you can just walk right in, take your cell phone, click the email, and print it yourself without having to talk to anyone. So that is amazing if you don't have a good color printer at home. I printed these on cardstock, so it was just your basic cardstock, and like I said, I did them all in color and they all fit perfectly on this page. It cost me, it was $9.48 total to do all of the printing. I thought that was worthwhile just because it's something that I know I can use year after year after year because I think it's pretty, and it doesn't actually have the dates on it. Like, it's not an official calendar, so it's not gonna not work for me years down the road. This is still gonna work, so I really like that too. And then I just took a little clipboard that I've had for a while. I think I got this one from Target. Again, it's pretty, love the color of it. I just think that this color makes me smile and I'm gonna wanna look at it. And I'm simply just gonna put each calendar page in here for the year. Now, if you don't like the look of the clipboard, you can easily do this with a picture frame. You could do this on a bulletin board. You could do this in your office. You could just keep these on your computer, on your phone, and change the page. The picture is your background each month. There's so many different ways you can do this, but the point is you really want to have this in front of your eyes, on your mind, so that when it's time to go get your groceries, you have an idea of what you want to make and what you want to eat. So if you are interested in seeing what I end up eating in the new year and how I use this page, I would totally love to show you, so just let me know in the comments. Another thing that I really like about this list is that it's things that I wouldn't have necessarily thought of, like parsnips. Do you eat parsnips? I don't eat parsnips, not that I know of, but that's a thing that's totally in season in January. In June, arugula. When's the last time you had arugula? Maybe like on a pizza, but just knowing, hey, in June, I want to make something with arugula. I want to have a salad with arugula. It's so important. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you make one like this, please, please, please let me know. Please send me pictures. You can find me on Instagram at Delise Germond, and you can also put a comment below in this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks.